Real-life applications of parabola, Eiffel Tower modeling in GeoGebra. Mathematics is everywhere around us, from bridges to buildings, from satellites to Eiffel Tower. In this video, we will explore the real-life applications of parabolas and see how iconic Eiffel Tower can be modeled step by step using GeoGebra. What will you learn in this video? Understanding the shape of the parabola in real-world contexts, how parabolas are applied in architect, design, and engineering, step-by-step GeoGebra constructions of a parabola-based Eiffel Tower model, how math concepts can make learning more fun and creative. This video is useful for school, college students, mathematics teachers and educators, GeoGebra learners, anyone curious about connecting math with the real world. Don't miss the chance to visualize math in action and discover how beautiful geometry can be. Thank you for watching.